Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Chromo Zoom video effect as a transition in CapCut for PC. And I have added a few images right here, and I'm going to select video effect and select clips. You can find Chromo Zoom, but this is video effect, and I want to use this effect as a transition. So how to can download it before add the track, make it shorter, and for information I set the image duration in 1.0 second. So put on top when the clip like this, copy paste, put on top another clip between the clip. Alright, so this is the final effect you have in your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.